And this is our market segment of the show. Stock market, you know, not much reaction really from the no tariff thing. Like the tariffs being, well, the markets are actually up like one point right now. Like really no difference at all. And so just kind of like not much reaction at all. Gold markets. Gold is again just kind of like as well, just treading water there, trying to find direction. It's, you know, based on the geopolitical stuff, but gold is just kind of hanging. It's up about $34 today, kind of bouncing in that range between, you know, 3,300 and 3,200. And Bitcoin, again, I think Bitcoin is definitely basing here, and it could move substantially higher. It's about 106,000, 107,000 right now. So it's going to depend whether it can build a little bit of a base here and then spring. But again, the wind is in the sails for Bitcoin. Canadian dollar, on the other hand, looking for direction. I think, you know, like the pipeline thing, the resource, the answer is going to be about the economy. What happens here? Like at some point, Mark Carney and the Liberals are going to have to make a concrete decision. Like something has happened. That spending is not going to go over well. That 408, almost a $500 billion. Is not going to go over well without anything to show for it. Like they're going to have to name some deals or something. It's going to have to happen. They're going to have to drop something. I know that David Eby was in Malaysia there. You know, I think he spent you know, almost a week or more in there. I don't know, but you got to bring home something too.
I've not heard, which is quite interesting given his history, but I've not heard Carney say a single thing about the currency. Yeah. And yet it is trading at a lower than usual level and has been for ages, and that's massively consequential for the Canadian economy, but I haven't heard him say a thing about it.
Well, that adds to inflation, because if you're buying a lot of US goods, most things, commodities in the world are priced in US dollars, and if we have a weak currency, obviously that leads to inflationary pressures. Again, not rocket science. Nvidia, the big star though, the big star reported, and it's up dramatically here today. Nvidia. Right at this moment, Nvidia is up about just under 5%. It's at 140. There you go. Revenue is up 69% year over year. EPS higher than expected. They repurchased a bunch of shares too, so they had $14 billion in repurchase. That means they got lots of cash in the till, and they're generating record revenues in gaming and data centers, and that it's their world right now. Nvidia, it's their world, and the rest of us are just paying rent. How's that?
Good time for Mr. Huang.